Same way, cut the tissue stops, 1, 2, 3, and this is the last one now. Cut it carefully, do not damage the wax sheet. So this is your wax spacer for maxillary and mandibular special tray. The function of this wax sheet is to act like a spacer for final impression material. Now on this we are going to make a tray. Which material we are going to use? We can use different materials for making a tray. We can use self cure acrylic, or we can use light cure acrylic. For you all, we are going to use light cure acrylic resin. This is called as VLC sheet, visible light cure acrylic resin. That means when we will expose this material to the visible light, it will become hard, it will polymerize. So I will show you how this sheet is. First, let us do the next step. Now the acrylic resin sticks to the stone, to the gypsum. So we have to apply something so that the tray material should not stick to the cast. The best thing to apply is separating media. We have it in the college. I will show you how to use it in the college. It's a thin liquid. We apply it on the cast using a painting brush, or you can take Vaseline. Okay, take a small gauze piece, take some Vaseline and apply it on the cast, or you can apply it with your finger also. Okay, only on the cast, avoid it on the spacer. Okay, take it, apply it on the cast where your tray has to come. Okay, apply this in the tissue stops also, because this area is exposed to stone. Same way for the maxillary, take some Vaseline and apply it on the cast in the tissue stops areas. You can use a cotton roll, you can use a brush, you can use your instrument like wax knife. Take some Vaseline and just apply it in this area. Okay, or you can lift it up, you can lift up your spacer and you can apply it there. The best thing to apply is separating media. We have it in the college. I will show you in the college how to use separating media. Okay, I don't have it at present. So you apply it nicely. This is how your cast will be. If you have anything on the wax, just clean it off. It is less here, so I apply it more here. Apply it slightly on the borders, on the land area. Now you have your tray, you have your spacer. Let us take out the visible light cure resin. This is how the visible light cure resin will be available. We will be giving one sheet to the student for one cast. We'll close the box tightly. This is visible light cure. If we keep this sheet under light, this is going to become hard. So how to use it? It's very easy to use this. Take this tray. Before you start, take some material from the corner and fill this in this tissue stop area. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fine. Fill this here. Take some more material and fill it in the posterior palatal seal area, because these areas we have cut. Okay. Fill it here and fill this here. Now take your tray, put it from one side, adapt it nicely. It is very simple. This material is very friendly material. Okay, adapt it nicely. Take your carver or wax knife and cut off the excess material first. Okay, do not throw this material. Do not throw this. We will need this material. Okay, now take your carver and cut the material till your second line. I told you we have drawn 3 lines: sulcus line, tray line and spacer line. So you have to cut it till your tray line. So first cut it till your sulcus line, because you cannot see your tray line clearly. Then slowly cut it off till your tray line. If you cut more, no problems, you can add the material. Okay. So cut it till your red color line. Now you can see here I have cut it till my red color line. Cut it from here also. Okay. See here. Now cut it from the back side, but it will be straight. Okay. See this now? This tray line is coming. This is the red color line, and this tray should just extend till this line. Wherever there is freedom, it is going up according to the freedom. So now your tray is ready. Now what is missing? Handle. How will you hold this tray? You need a handle to hold it. So whatever excess material was left, mold it. Okay, make it a rectangle like this. Okay, now where to attach the handle? For maxilla, attach the handle in the incisive papilla region in the center here anteriorly, and this handle should not be very long, it should not be very short. If it is short, it is difficult to hold the tray. Okay, so the handle should be around 4 mm thick, 10 mm wide, and around 15 mm long. So make it like this. Take your ruler, measure it and cut it. When you attach the handle for maxilla, this is the maxilla. The center incisor is not straight in the mouth. It is always, the center incisor is not straight. It is proclined. Okay, so your handle will be at around 15-degree angulation. If you see from here, okay, the handle is not straight, it is slightly proclined. Make it like this. This is how your tray will be. Okay, handle is not straight. You can see here, handle is proclined, it is not straight. Dimensions easy to hold. If you make it long, you have to cut it short. Okay, now this tray is ready, but the material is soft because we have not polymerized